So I don't look down. Every single one of you.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
I can't even see you because I don't look down.
I'm not leaving. The show goes on. This is my home. They're gonna need a wrecking ball to take me out of here.
Don't look down.
Good timing, everybody, whether it's morning, evening, or in between, wherever you are in the world today. Welcome to Unwrecked Traders. Before we begin, please hit the like and subscribe and join us to share ideas, strategies, and learn together to make better trades. This is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. This is strictly my thoughts and ideas, so let's get that crypto. All right, everybody. Had an exciting day today in the cryptocurrency markets. Saw a huge drop and just wanted to take a look at the old chart that I gave in the last video and possible target on the weekly that we hit almost to the T here before bouncing back up. And I think I actually said that what we could see happen on the weekly is we come down to support and we find a wick come right down to here. And this would remain as support for now. And then all you would see is a wick come down here. And that's exactly what happened to the T. So right now, let's take a look at the new updated one. We're going to go to the monthly. And on the monthly, let's get rid of this 1 hour. There we go. Reset it. So on the monthly, sorry. Right now we have resistance at 49,500 area. And with a nice doji candle sitting in here on the monthly. Support is at 33,900 and a possible target once again of 27,200. So the 100 actually remained inside of the range here on the quasi. And because it remained inside the range, this has acted as resistance. So now we're looking at the possible target of 27,200 on the monthly. Looking at the weekly. On the weekly, we have a resistance of 51,900 and possible target was hit. So let me get rid of this. And then our support, and I'm just going to skip this one. We just talked about it and it hasn't really changed much. So on the daily, right now, we have resistance with the 100 Bollinger Band at 47,500. The target was hit for the 50 and support level here at 39,600. Looking at the quasi, we kind of have a little bit of the 10 kind of coming out, maybe a smidgen, but I don't really count that as a target for coming back up here yet. If it actually came out like it did over here on August 30th and came out and then back in, we could consider that as our come down and then back up to the median. But because it hasn't actually come out, I don't really count that. Now, if this 20 does come back up, which it probably should, then that would be the target of 48,950. So we'll see how it plays out. And this could just act as resistance and then we come further down. But we'll see how it plays out. On the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, this changes a little bit and we do have an upward range as long as resistance here breaks. But right now we have I didn't change these, but these are actually resistance levels. So we have resistance here at 50,800 with a possible target of 49,900. And then resistance here where it's hitting currently at 47,100. And then a support down below at 44,400. So right now we are hitting resistance. And the likelihood of this breaking is pretty high. We do have the 10 already coming up into the range. So could see this coming up to the 49,900 area again pretty easily. We'll see how it plays out. And then on the 1 hour, on the 1 hour right now, we have a resistance. Well, this is a resistance level, 47,500, support at 45,009. Well, let's just say 46,000. And then there are, well, a possible target here of 48,700. But we have to break through this resistance, the 100 resistance, and then we can hit the target. Now the 1 hour will move down. So odds are it might actually just kind of come down here and actually come up with meat price sideways. So we could see that happen as well. Just this kind of, and I guess it would look like this. So this would just kind of come down like that and something like that. Now I'm going to go into the Gann chart that I talked about yesterday. And this is more or less just a quick update on Bitcoin. So last night we were up here and I said that price would currently be looking for the 53,900 area. I'm just going to quickly move these. So, and then I also said that if we broke through, if we did break through here, because these gaps are getting bigger, I said you'd see a bigger drop than when it becomes tighter. So we actually did see a nice, really nice drop right all the way right through this whole entire area right here, from the 49,700 down to the 45,000 area. And then we actually came down into this Gann line a little bit past it before we found support. And I also believe that that was the weekly S3, I think it was, maybe. Let's take a look at our trend lines. Remove the Whistler here. Bring up the trend lines. And then also we had the magnet target as well. And this was our magnet target for our last video of where I said I was expecting price to go no matter what. So not only did price go to it, it dropped well through it, and now it's actually become the support. And if I bring up the monthly or the lower time frame nexus for the monthly, you can see that it came down right through it onto the weekly S3, found support, which is now our previous day low. And now we're sitting on our support here, coming back up into the daily range here. So we'll see how this breaks up. We could come up to this trend line, find resistance and come back down, or break through it and come back up into this area here where we were previously. So it all depends on how it wants to play out. And that's it for the technical analysis. I just wanted to do a quick brief update on what happened today and why it happened. And you know, people have all these theories and stuff, but all you gotta do is look at the chart, and the chart will tell you what's gonna happen. And there's multiple ways to look at it, and you gotta find what works best for you. And once you do, you're in the money. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have a good rest of your day or morning or afternoon, wherever you are. And you guys take care. Thanks a lot.